We're at Bosigran and we're in the black slab area, so above me you can see black slab, and that slab and the veins that you can see in the head wall above the slab and in the cliff around to the right of the slab are all quartz tourmaline veins, and you can see the fractures have followed those veins, and we can see one of the veins here, and in fact in some places the vein weathers proud of the granite. So it's not that the veins are weaker than the granite, it's that the fractures utilise differences in mechanical strength between the vein and the granite, and they propagate where that discontinuity of strength is. So it's not that the veins are actually weaker, it's just that they're a different strength from the granite, so the fractures propagate along that difference in strength. So this is why you get these black tourmaline covered slabs down in the Cornish granites.